So where is study what we study, if you remember, so that is we study the nitriles, and that is the
Yes, sir.
another was the isonitriles. Okay, this was the little bit confusing, and third one was the also we study esters. I told you nitriles are the CNN, you know, C triple bond N. This is what nitrile. If you are talking about isonitrile, this is the opposite of that is N triple bond C. And ester already I explained to you R C double bond O and O, that is R. This is what the something known as ester group.
Yes, sir.
So out of this, which is the problematic one? This one, that one, that one. Which one? Which one you want?
Sir,
Hmm.
sir, Esther, sir.
Which one? Esters. Ester. Yeah.
Yes.
Let us see the esters. Firstly, esters, if you are going esters, so that is what the functional group is R C double O R, right? Prefix, if you are
Yes,
talking
sir.
about prefix means that attached with, they are saying that attached with oxygen, that attached with oxygen. That is which will come prefix. Now, word root, if you are talking about word root. So if you're talking about word root, that attached with carbon, that attached with carbon, okay,
Carbon.
carbon. And then again, if you see what the we are using, that is numbering, we have to do numbering. Then we will write that is prefix name, okay, prefix.
Yes, sir.
We are having that is word root, that already I told you word root. And secondly, that is we are having primary suffix, that you already know primary suffix. And finally, we are
Yes, sir.
having that is secondary suffix. This is the
Yes.
secondary suffix. These things you need to keep in mind. Now numbering, they are saying start from. They are saying that is from where we have to start. Start from that carbon. It start from, simply you write. Start from functional group carbon. Start from functional group carbon.
Carbon.
Functional group carbon. That is what the our point. Okay, that is what the rule.
Yes, sir.
Up now prefix you know very well, F, Cl, Br, I, these are prefix. Word root if you are talking about is that also you know C1, C2, this all you know. Primary suffix, single bond, double bond, triple bond, that also you know. Up now if you are talking about this one, suppose I am taking the example C, double bond O, O, CH3, right? So now you can see that is this is attached with oxygen. This is what attached with oxygen. Yes or no?
Yes,
Attached
sir.
with oxygen. So whatever the attached with oxygen is going to be what your prefix. Okay,
Yes,
prefix.
sir.
And these things attached with carbon. Here is attached with carbon. If you see attached with carbon. So this is going to be what? This is going to be your word root. That also we need to keep in mind. This is the word root. Are you be able to understand up to here? Are you be able to
Yes,
understand?
sir. Actually, sir, I understood, sir. But while doing problems I'm facing.
You please text me, take the pic of the problems and just send my WhatsApp number, right? Just take a pic of the problem and send me on my WhatsApp number,
Sir,
please.
I'll send you after the class, sir.
Yeah. Whatever the problem you are
Okay.
not solving,
Then,
see, this is something what my responsibility that you have trust on me so that you are studying here. So you must know the things. Okay, wherever you are facing the problem, you just let me know. Just take a pic of the book and just send me that question. I will circle that, or without circle,
sure, sir.
kindly send me the question number, sir. I'm not.
Okay, sir.
Like that you do. Whatever the problem you are facing, that we will do. Now, Janab, that is what happened here. If you see, that is one become the prefix. Which one will be the prefix out of these two? Okay, these are the going to be the word root here up to here, and this is going to be what? Prefix. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So CH3 group is what is known as that is methyl. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Then numbering will start from here 1, 2, this is 3 and 4. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Now let us try to write down the name. Can you please tell me the name of this? And secondary suffix, you know, C double bond O and O is there. For this one, we use the OATE. Already yesterday I told you OATE. So
Yes, sir.
tell me the name.
So, sir, it will be 1, 2, 3, 4. But
See, Jana, what we have to do, follow the
no, sir.
writing order.
Methyl.
Prefix,
Okay,
word
sir.
root, primary.
Methyl.
Methyl. This is also methyl. You can write that in one methyl or methyl. Okay.
Methyl bromo.
No, bromine is
No,
not there.
but.
Bute,
Sorry, sir.
bute.
Butane.
Okay.
Butane. Oh, 8.
O8.
108.
1-methyl butanoate. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
You want to write or shall I erase this?
1 minute, I'll write down.
Mhm. Is it over?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Let us move now the next part. So what is the next part if you are going? I'm giving you some more problem. Let us try out the and practice the problems so that you will be able to understand this little bit. Yeah, this is what is something.
Yes, sir.
Hmm. See, this is a quite good question. Here is double bond O. Here is again going to be O, and this is what is this. Now they are saying that is write down the name of this compound. How can you be able to write? First of all, Jana, what we need to do, we need to find out which is prefix. That is whatever is attached with the oxygen, that is going to be prefix. Yes. And that is whatever the attached with the
Yes,
carbon is going to be word root, right? Word root. Now in the prefix, Janab, there is how many question carbon are there? 1, 2, 3. For 3 carbon, it is there something like CH2, then CH2, and lastly CH3. So 3 carbon, that is prop, and that is here dash line is there, so that is propyl. Okay, and word root is there. Word root you can count 1,
yes,
2, 3, 4, 5. Can you please try to write down the name of this compound? Yeah.
yes, sir.
Hmm.
So this is 1, 2, 3. So, sir, it will be propyl.
Propyl,
So propyl, one propyl.
hmm.
Uh, pentane,
Pentane,
108.
pentane 108. So this is what is the name of this compound. Okay, that is what.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Can I, will you be able to solve the
Yes,
problem
sir.
based on it?
1 minute, sir. Let me just write it down.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Done.
Hmm. So let us try to write down some more example. Two more example. We are going to see that one. That what is going to be the IPS element. Here you see double bond O. Here is O ethyl group. Here is double bond. Now tell me the name.
Yes, sir.
Hmm. Hmm.
So wait, sir.
Hmm.
Sir, it will be Ethynyl, one
One ethyl, ETA.
ethyl,
Hmm.
one ethyl,
Hmm.
hex,
Hmm.
6-ene,
Five. List
no,
number. Yes.
5-ene,
Hmm.
5-ene, 108.
Yeah. Thank you very much. That is the answer, our required answer. Can you please, if you want to write, you can write down this one.
Yes, sir.
Hmm. Done.
Yes, sir.
Mhm. Hello.
Hello, yes, sir.
No. Someone is calling, I think, from there. Hello. Hello. Okay. So I'm giving you some other things. Can you please wait 1 second? Someone is calling to me. 1 second only. Hello. Sir, is it
Hello,
audible?
yes, sir.
Okay, Janab last compound we are going to have, that is IUPAC name of, okay, IUPAC name of, no, IUPAC name of, hello sir. सर हाँ थोड़ा सा क्लास ले रहा था सर. हाँ क्लास ले रहा था सर. हाँ अभी 8:30 को फ्री होता हूँ तो फोन करूँ क्या 8:30 पर. हाँ हाँ ओके सर ओके 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 थैंक यू सर. हाँ हाँ ओके ओके बस. So formyl chloride, or that is better, you can write this formyl chloride, we can write that is oil chloride. Sorry for disturbance. OYL, oil chloride. Okay, this is the. If you talk about formyl chloride, this is the formula C double bond OCl. This is not there the NCRT. This is the neat only. This is the include in the neat. So this is what that is functional group, right? So if you want to write the name, okay. So what is there? They are the oil chloride. Okay. One more name is there, that is note oil chloride. Okay. In bracket C double bond OCl. Also known as what they are saying. Also known as what? Acyl chloride, ACYL, also known as acyl chloride. This is the point, also known as acyl chloride, right? So how can you be able to write the name of this compound? Firstly, the same is there. Numbering, you know very well, that is first of all, we do the numbering. Then we need to write that is prefix. Okay, that is what we need to write prefix. Then we need to write that is word root. Okay, word root. Then we write the primary suffix, that is known as primary suffix. Okay, and finally we are going to write that is name of secondary suffix. This is what is the name, secondary suffix. Now we are having that is name is there, C double bond OCl is there. It is known as oil chloride. Its name itself is there, oil chloride. Okay, oil chloride, that you need to memorize that which functional group has what name. Okay, this is what is known as oil chloride. Can you be
Yes,
able to
sir.
understand this?
Yes, sir.
Huh. So this is what is the numbering we do. Prefix you know, word root you know, primary suffix also you know very well. So we are going this one, oil chloride you keep in mind. So here why I am having that is CS3, C double bond O and Cl, right? Numbering that is
Yes, sir.
start from that is start from, I know, carbon, OYL, oil carbon. Whatever the functional group carbon is there, from there only start. So starting is will be this one, 1 and 2. So can you please tell me the name of this compound?
Oil, ready to line with oil. Okay.
Start from prefix, there is no prefix. Total here, whatever this one, total name is oil chloride, OYL, oil chloride. So there is no prefix are there in this compound.
Ethanol.
So that is word root is there, it. Then single bond is there, that is
Yes, sir.
in. And E we do not write because the OYL is coming, ethanoyl chloride. Can you be able to understand this? Ethanoyl chloride.
Yes, sir.
Are you sure?
Yes, sir.
Write down, please. Write down this name.
Ethanol chloride. Okay.
If you want to write, please write down. Done?
1 minute, sir. कौन बंदा वाईफाई खोलो पागल हो गए
Over? Janab, is it over?
उमर खोलो
The voice is cutting, I think. What happened? Is it audible now? I think my side
yes sir
network is from my side is okay only. Your side something may be problem. Okay. Let us try to understand the name of some other compound. Okay. Double bond O Cl. Tell me the name of this compound. Here is also Br is there.
hello sir
Yes.
yes sir
Yeah. Tell me the name of the first one, please.
1 2 3 4 okay so 3 bromo
3 bromo. Very good. 3 bromo.
1 butanol chloride
But in 1 oil chloride. You can write
methane yeah
1 oil chloride.
oil chloride
What about this one? This is the very easy. You can understand very good. What about this one?
1 2 3 4 5 okay so yeah Wait, sir.
Hmm.
Okay. So 3-chloro,
No. 3-chloro. Yeah, very good. 3-chloro.
3-chloro. It's
Hmm.
3-chloro.
Hmm.
Pent,
Paint.
pentane,
No.
pentanol,
See.
pentanol.
Here
Two
you
E
see.
T A. Yeah, sorry, sir. Pent. Five. No, 4-ene.
Hmm.
4-ene. Uh, oil chloride.
One oil chloride.
1-OYL chloride.
One oil chloride. Are you be able to
Yes,
understand
sir.
this? Are you able to understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Can
Yes,
I
sir.
move next page?
Yes, sir.
Hmm. So these are all about the IPSC of the aliphatic compound. That is okay. Now we are going to move. That is IUPAC name of, that is IUPAC names of what they are saying, aromatic compound. IUPAC name of what, that is aromatic compound. We are going to move here. IUPAC name of aromatic compounds that we are going to understand. IUPAC name of aromatic compounds, right? So how can you be able to write the IUPAC? Now, first of all, you should know that is aromatic compound. Okay, aromatic compound. So aromatic
Yes,
compound, that is, they contain at least, they contain benzene ring. Simply you write they contain benzene ring. Here
sir.
they contain, that is benzene ring. What is the benzene ring? If you see, that is, this is the benzene ring. Here alternate single and double bond is there. This is what is something benzene ring, right? If you are writing this benzene ring, so you can write also CH. All the places what is there will be the CH will be there. Here is again going to be CH. Here is CH, and that is lastly again CH. But we know that its carbon valency is 4. You can find out that for this carbon, if it is carbon 1, so 1 hydrogen, 1 bond, and 2 bond is there. So that is out of 4, only 3 is available, right? So what we can do here, we can put the triple bond, double bond. So hydrogen 1,
Yes, sir.
2, 3, 4. For this one, 1, 2, 3, 4. That is, here is 3 is there, here is double bond, and here is double bond. So right. So this is what
Yes,
is
sir.
known as, this compound is known as benzene. Either you can write this way or that way. Both are the benzene, and formula if you are writing, that is C6H6. You can count out. If you want to count, that is 6 carbon are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. C6. Hydrogen, if you want to count, that is how many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hydrogen is 6. So this is our C6H6.
Yes, sir.
Are you be able to understand this?
Sir, can you explain once more, please?
This is the aromatic compound. They contain benzene ring. Benzene ring, this is the formula that we need to keep in mind. That is, this is benzene ring.
Okay, sir.
That is one way to write benzene ring like this. Another way, this is the condensed formula. This is I wrote, that is here is condensed, and this one is, if you are writing, that is what is, that is bond line. This is the going to be
Yeah.
bond line formula, right? So
Okay, sir.
these are the two formula. So anyone you need to keep in mind. Can you be able to understand?
Okay, sir.
Now that is rule one. Rule one.
Yes,
First
sir.
member, they are saying first member of first member of class of aromatic compound, aromatic compounds name is already given, is already given. Okay, already
Yes, sir.
given without rule. Okay, there is no rule for as such. Without rule, it is given by IUPAC. What are these compounds? Suppose this is the, if this is there, then this is there. So this is what is
Yes,
known
sir.
as, just now I told you, this is the what is known as benzene. This is there.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now another member is there if you are going for this one. So if you are adding CH3 on this, so this is what is known as toluene. Toluene. Okay.
Yes, sir.
This is, now this is two member already I wrote. Two.
Yes, sir.
Third one, if you want to write this one already known, here is benzene is, if it is here is Cl. So that is what is known as chlorobenzene. This is going to be what? Chlorobenzene.
Chlorobenzene.
If it is, that is on this one, OH group is there, OH. So its name is going to be what? Phenol. This is name is phenol. Suppose,
Phenol.
suppose I am having this compound CHO, or you can also write the same compound, this form also. What is alternate single double bond with there? C double bond O, here is H. So this is what is known as Benjaldehyde. This is Benjaldehyde. This is the name, right? Benjaldehyde. This name is
Yes,
already
sir.
given. There is no rule for this one. If we are having that with this one, and if I'm having C double OH group, or that also we can write this form also. How we can write here, you see, here is C double bond O, here is OH. So that is also known as benzoic acid, BENZOIC, benzoic acid. This is already, you need to memorize this one. There is no rule for this one. There is no rule. Okay, directly for the some compound only. Here, if you are going for this one, right, this one.
Yes, sir.
So one more name will come here to be, let me write little bit better way. If we are having benzene ring and over it, if I'm having benzene ring and over it I am having, that is C double bond O, okay, CH3. So that is what is known, its name is acetophenone. Acetophenone. This is what his name is, acetophenone, right? Next one, again, if you are going one more compound, let us slide down. This is the, if the compound benzene ring contain NH2 group, NH2, its name is aniline, aniline, right? One more, last one, the very last one. If I am having this one, C double bond O, and here is NH2. So this is known as benjamide. Okay, benjamide. So this
Examine.
many benjamide, this many compounds are there. It's although it is very hard to memorize, but when you practice 2-3 times, you will be able to understand this. If it is NO2 is there, NO2, so it is, that is nitrobenzene. It is nitrobenzene. Okay,
Okay,
nitrobenzene.
sir.
So that is how many we wrote here. You see, if you are going for this one, that is the first two. The first one is benzene, then it is the toluene, then three is chlorobenzene, then fourth is phenol, right? Next one you
Yes,
see,
sir.
fifth one is benjaldehyde, six is benzoic acid, seven is acetophenone. Next one is we are having, that is 9 one is aniline, 10 one is, that is benjamide, 11 and is nitrobenzene. So these many are there. So first of all, what we need to do, Janav, we need to write out this name. Yeah, can you be able to write this name? What can you write this one?
Wait, sir.
Will you write this one?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I
Uh,
was writing, sir. You were resting, so I stopped. 1 minute, sir.
uh, I'm recording also. I will send you. No worry.
Okay, sir.
Is it done?
Yes, sir.
Can I
1 minute,
move?
sir. 1 minute.
Is it okay, Janab?
Yes, sir.
So we are moving next page. That also please write down that one also. Little bit are there. Mm. So that we will start from the beginning again.
Yes, sir.
Mm. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next page is there. 2, 3 more are there. That also please you write down that one. Yeah. Yeah. This one.
Mm.
Hmm.
Yes, sir. Done.
Okay. Very good. Very good. Thank you very much. Let us write. Let us now practice. Okay. Practice.
Yes, sir.
So we are going to practice IPAC name of aromatic compound. This we are going to understand that how we can practice. So when you're talking about the aromatic compound, the first member is, if you are talking this one, that is what is, this is the first member. We are starting from the beginning. So can you please tell me the name of this compound? Can you please tell me? What is name of this compound, Janab?
Sir, sir, I don't know, sir.
You see in your book, notebook, just you wrote. What you wrote?
Sir, wait, sir.
Hmm. This is the first member now, first member.
Benzene.
Benzene. Thank you very much. That is correct one. This is the benzene, right? Janab, this is the benzene, right?
Benzene.
That is benzene, right? These two are the benzene. Both are the same compound, right? Now, let us try to write down the name. What can be the name of this compound if you can write? So this
Benzene.
CH2 and CH3, okay? So firstly, if it is, that is the, we write that is prefix, then word root. Okay, prefix and then word root. Word root.
Okay, sir. I think I
Word
know
root is
benzene.
benzene. Word root is benzene.
Okay. Benzene is word. Okay. I know this. Ethyl.
Ethyl.
Yes.
Then
Ethyl benzene.
ethyl benzene. Thank you. Super, super. Very good. This is the ethyl benzene. Can I give you another?
Okay, sir. Yeah, I heard.
Hmm. Okay, wait.
But sir, this aromatic compound still I have to means like get sure.
Yeah, I'll give you. You will be able to understand each and everything. Okay. Just the thing is that you should have the, till now we study 4 or 5 days only. So you already is responding. You already replying the answers. Okay. So more and more
Yes,
once we practice, this will be okay for you. There is a no problem. Okay, at all. Okay, we'll practice more. We'll practice.
yes, sir.
Now tell me.
Sir, it will be 1,
Hmm.
1, 2, 3. Okay. Yeah, sir. Propyl.
Propyl. Very good, very good, very
Propyl.
good. Propyl benzene. Propyl. Propyl benzene.
Yes, sir.
Hmm. Can I erase this? Can I erase?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Hmm. Tell me the name of this, Janab. For this one, we need to do the numbering. Yeah, right. So that is two groups are there. One is the 3 carbon. That is the one is the propyl. Okay. Another is what ethyl. So another is ethyl. So which one shall we give the list number? From where we should?
Okay. So, sir, first it should be ethyl because it's alphabetically first.
So that is what this is getting one.
Ethyl,
Uh-huh.
1,
Two.
2.
One
Yeah.
ethyl.
So,
One
1
is
ethyl, 2 propyl, benzene.
propyl benzene. Thank you. Good. Very good. One ethyl, two propyl benzene. This is the name of the compound. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now let us try to write down the some name. That is what. And this is we are having Cl. Tell me the name of this. Order is
Yes,
what is
sir.
it? Prefix. Then we write that is word root. Prefix and word root. Word root already there in the benzene here. And prefix, you know.
It's Toluene. No, it's chlorobenzene.
This is the chlorobenzene. Very good.
Yes,
Chlorobenzene. Right?
benzene.
That is
Yes,
very
sir.
good. Suppose what will be the answer of this if Cl is here? Okay. Here is what is there. If I am writing that is any of the element we can write here. Na? Suppose Cl also we wrote then.
Yes, sir.
Hmm. Yeah. What is the name? If anything coming
Wait,
two times.
sir.
If anything is coming two times.
Dichlorobenzene.
1, 2
1,
di.
2 dichlorobenzene.
This is our answer. 1, 2 dichlorobenzene. Right? Can I erase?
Yes, sir.
Can I
Yes,
erase?
sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. Cl. Then we are having Br. Tell me. From where we can start numbering? From this carbon or this carbon?
Sir, from bromo. Because
From
it's
bromo.
alphabetically first.
So
Okay, so 1, 2, 3.
4. Yeah, tell me the name.
So 1 bromo.
1 bromo.
4 chlorobenzene.
4 chloro. Benzene.
Benzene.
Yeah. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Can I move next page?
Yes, sir.
Whenever you want to write, please let me know. Okay.
Okay, sir, sure.
So this is the Cl. Okay, here is Br. Here is NO2. So you know
Yes,
Br is the bromo. Cl is chloro. and B bromo, chloro, and NO2 is nitro. So what we shall do? From where shall we start? From this carbon or this carbon
No,
or this
sir.
carbon?
From bromo.
From
From
bromo
bromo.
only. Okay. So I am writing here 1. This is going to be 2.
2,
Tell me.
3. Okay. So it will be 1 bromo.
1 bromo.
Sir, should be 3 nitro first.
No, alphabetical order. See. B,
Okay, then
C, then
2 chlorobenzene.
2 chloro. That is also na. That is also that will comes
Yeah,
again. So that
3
is 3
nitro
nitro. 3 nitro
benzene.
benzene. So that is correct IUPAC name.
Okay.
Hmm.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Can I erase?
Yes, sir.
Are you sure? Na? Can I erase this one or you want to write?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. No, sir.
Okay. IUPAC name. IUPAC name of what we are going to. IUPAC name of phenol. IUPAC name of phenol. Okay. So where Janab, this one is the phenol. If here is, that is what is there. This is known as phenol. This is the phenol. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So if you are trying to write down the name of phenol, what we can do, see, that is for note is there note, very important note. For common name, this is little bit important. For common name, use what they are saying, use ortho, okay, comma para and
Yes,
meta
sir.
and meta. Ortho, para, and meta. Now they are saying that is, if suppose this is the OH group, IUPAC, this is phenol is IUPAC name. There is no doubt out. Okay. So if suppose it is OH is there, so this position, the first position, this is ortho.
Yes,
This is
sir.
this is also going to be ortho. Okay, closure or ortho, and that is last one. This is going to be para. Between ortho and para, there should be the meta. Okay, between ortho and para, there should be what this compound is meta.
Yes,
Getting
sir.
meta. Are you getting the point? Means if you are counting
Yes,
this
sir.
one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that is 2 and 6 are now known as what ortho. Okay. 3 and 5 is known as what meta. Meta means middle, and that is 4 is para. This we need to memorize. Okay. I will
Yes,
write.
sir.
I will explain you again and again. Don't worry. So that is this compound, you must be knowing what is the name of this compound OH. What is name of it? What is name of it?
Wait, sir.
Hmm.
OH. OH was called phenol.
Phenol. Thank you. This is the phenol, right? So if it is the phenol, suppose I am writing this one, OH group I am putting on the top. Here is OH and here is what is there, Cl. Okay. So this will be prefix. This is the prefix. Okay. So this is functional group. This is functional group. And you know very well that is functional group is more priority. So what will
Yes,
happen
sir.
if you are writing the name of this compound? So this name you know already. The name of this you know. That is what is name. This is the phenol. This is phenol,
Yes, sir.
right? And this position is ortho, this is ortho, this is meta, this is meta, this is para. So that is, if you are writing, that is common name also sometimes they ask, so that I am teaching you the common name. So what will be the common name? Orthochlorophenol. Orthochloro, O for ortho, chlorophenol. Okay. O, orthochlorophenol. O means ortho. What position? 2 and 6 position. Okay. P
Yes,
means,
sir.
you know, para. P means para, that is fourth position. And 3 and 5, 3 comma 5, this is known as what? Meta. Okay, 3 comma 5 is meta, represented by small m. Now IUPAC, you know very well IUPAC. IUPAC, I told you, firstly we write the prefix. We will write the
Yes,
prefix
sir.
and then word root. Word root, now in case of phenol, IUPAC name of phenol, the word root become the phenol now. Prefix you, if it is Cl, so that is chloro we need to write. So what will be the IUPAC name of the Janab? This one, I am telling you one. So that is IUPAC
Yes,
name.
sir.
IUPAC name means numbering. Here we give the numbering. Common name
Yes,
means
sir.
orthopara. So that is will be here 1 and this is going to be 2. So that will be, if you are writing, that is 2-chlorophenol. Is it okay?
Sir, can you explain once more, sir? This paranol I didn't understand properly.
Acha, it is getting more now. That is what.
Sir, it's getting confusing.
Wait. What do we study tomorrow?
Sir,
Want to
as in chapter.
what?
As in chapter you are saying, sir?
No. You want to continue or you want to study tomorrow now? Can we continue?
Yes, sir.
Okay. When you want to stop, you
Because
let
sir,
me know.
I did not understand this. After understanding this, we'll stop, sir. Because
Ah,
this is
yes.
complicated.
Sure. Right. This is common name, Janab. Although it is little difficult, okay, I'm not saying it's easy. We need to practice more and more. Tomorrow onward, I will practice. Okay, I will do here assignment also. So firstly, we are
No,
writing. Firstly, we are writing the common name here, right? First of all, we are going to write the common name. Common name. Common name, we
yes, sir.
said that is no numbering. Common name means no numbering. Numbering is not there. What we are writing common name, that is O for ortho, P for para, M for meta. Okay, this is meta, M-E-T-A. I already told you, if any group is there, if suppose some group are there here X, so this position is
Yes,
known as
sir.
ortho. This is ortho, this is meta, okay, this is going to be para. Here is again same way ortho, and this is meta. Okay, IPSC name
Yes.
you know very well. So can you please tell me the common name of this? This is already same common name and IPSC name is phenol. What about this one? This is O, this is M, this is P. So we can write that is orthochlorophenol. This
Yes.
is metachlorophenol, metachlorophenol, and that is what parachlorophenol.
Okay.
This is common name. Okay. Now we are going to IUPAC. IUPAC name means numbering. IUPAC name said that is you numbered. Okay. That is numbering required for IUPAC name, numbering. Okay, here no numbering, that is the same. IUPAC name of this one is phenol only. If you want to write the IUPAC name this one, so here is the 1, this is 2. So it will be that is 2-chlorophenol. If you want to this one, 1, 2 and 3. So its name will be 3-chlorophenol. This is going to be 3-chlorophenol. And here is what is there, 1, 2, 3 and this is 4. So its name will be what? 4-chlorophenol. 4-chlorophenol. Is it okay to you?
Yes, sir.
So want to write this one?
Yes, sir.
If anything you find something special, you please write down.
Yes, sir. Wait, I'm writing.
Yeah, no problem. You are studying in Narayana or Chaitanya?
Chaitanya, sir.
Okay, okay. Which branch in Hyderabad?
Sir, Narayanguda.
Okay, 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 Narayan. Is it okay, Janaz, over?
Yes, sir.
So now can we study tomorrow now?
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay, Janab. Bye. Take care.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, welcome. Whatever problem are there, you send me that problem. Na? You ask na? Some problems, what
Yes,
you are
sir. I'll
facing.
send it.
Just please send me. I will solve and I will
Okay.
send you. Right?
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Bye, bye.